Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gossip Girly. The hot tea that is being circulated all over the internet is the success party of Splitsvilla 16, hosted by none other than Urfi Javed, the mischief maker. And the limelight of the whole drama was on Yogesh and Ruru. We all know that how much fans adored Yogesh from his roadie's journey, and when he came to Splitsvilla, fans loved his bond and connection with Akanksha Chowdhury. But then there were rumors that Yogesh was dating Ruru Thakur from Splitsvilla 15, and Ruru may come to Splitsvilla 16 as a wild card. Fans ये सब बस guess ही कर रहे थे, and Manmeet, who is Yogesh's friend from his roadie's X2 journey, commented Bhabhi in Ruru's life, and when fans asked कि आप रूरू को क्यों भाभी बोल रहे हो, he replied कि सो के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है और रियल भाभी को ही भाभी बोलेंगे ना. And while all of this messy drama was going on, Yogesh denied the fact that he was in contact with Ruru in his life. I repeat, Yogesh denied the fact that he was in contact with Ruru in his life. Fans shipped Yogesh and Akanksha very much. So we don't know if Yogesh did it for clout and attention, but then he used to blush whenever Akanksha was mentioned in his life, according to his fans. योगेश में से मैंने तो ऐसा बोला ही नहीं, but fans know, okay, the way he used to act in his life, like blushing, acting all possessive whenever anything related to Akanksha was mentioned in his life, it was like he was dropping hints or that is something is going on between them. But the thing is, nothing like this came from Akanksha's side. She dropped hints that something messy may happen in the future in show between her and Yogesh, but he was not acting of blushing. She also made it very clear that she has nothing to do with Yogesh after the show. Fans were respecting their choice, but as I mentioned in the beginning, recently Splitsvilla 16 का success party हुआ था. उसमें mischief maker, host, contestant and some roadies contestant were also seen in that party. And the fact that Ruru was seen in that party and she was interacting with everyone, like she knows everyone very closely, it was the biggest hint that she is coming as wild card in the show. बस इतना ही नहीं था. Yogesh and Ruru were together holding hand, talking. In some clip, it looked like Yogesh was trying to avoid the camera. Similarly, Akanksha और Yogesh का interaction का कोई क्लिप नहीं आया बाहर, and that was totally okay. After this whole drama, what happened was Yogesh was being slammed left, right and center. It was not because he may or is dating Ruru Thakur. It's because fans were really disappointed that Yogesh अपने fans को झूठ बोल रहा था. He straight up said and tried to manipulate his audience by his fake acts and lie. So बात को समझो, कोई भी इधर Yogesh को इसलिए नहीं ट्रोल कर रहा कि he is dating Ruru and not Akanksha. Yeah, there are like immature fans who think whatever is in the show should be in real life and trolling other contestants. But there is a large section of audience who knows the difference between real and real life. Even though Splitsvilla is a love show, जैसे जैसे show का rise हुआ है, वैसे वैसे people come to the show not for love connection, rather for the fame. Many contestants have been exposed in the past season for having a partner outside the show and coming to the show just for fame. In this season also, Saurav Bedi and Diptanshu are said to have girlfriends outside. Yogesh is losing his followers, like he hit 600k in the morning, but right now currently as I am shooting this video, he has got 595k followers, 595,000 followers, and is being bashed because of his lie and manipulation tactics against his own fans just for clout. We don't know about that. There is nothing wrong with Yogesh and Ruru dating each other. They are adults and mature individuals, but आप लोग अपने fans को ही झूठ बोल के clout chase करोगे तो you will be exposed and bashed. If Yogesh didn't acted like that in his life or said that मैं तो Ruru के साथ contact में ही नहीं हूँ, fans will not be so disappointed. Saurabh has like posted this video of Akanksha in his story.
लोग कितने बुरे हो सकते हैं भाई, मतलब कल ना एक ऐसे लिमिट होती है कि बुरे लोग, फिर उससे बुरे लोग, फिर सबसे बुरे लोग. मैंने यहाँ वाले बुरे लोग देखे कल, मतलब
मना कर रहा था तेरे को मैं.
And later he also cleared that Akanksha was not talking about Yogesh in this clip. And I think if she was talking about Yogesh, Saurabh, as he's also a very, very good friend of Yogesh, he would not have posted in his story. This much for today, and don't forget to comment what's your opinion on this overall matter. Also don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and I will meet you next time with a hot spelling tea. Bye bye.